What's happening? It's your boy, Harvey the Credit Houdini here. I'm about to take y'all to school a little bit, all right? I want to show you all what it actually means to purchase a vehicle when you've got bad credit, all right? It ain't the end of the world. It's not. Don't make it that, okay? Don't make it that. I'm about to show you guys. All right, so look. All right, we've all been there. We've all bought a car at some point in time when our credit was screwed, okay? We've all been there, all right? So first and foremost, I want to talk about purchasing a vehicle when you've got bad credit versus somebody that has good credit, okay? And what it really means, all right? So this is somebody right here. They had to go through this company called Credit Acceptance. I'm pretty sure most of you all are familiar with Credit Acceptance or Santander. And if you're not, that's probably a good thing, okay? Because that means they hadn't gotten to you yet. They hadn't messed you over yet, all right? But in all fairness, even though the interest rate is 24%, the good thing about it is they will finance you, okay? Credit Acceptance is a guaranteed finance company. They always say, well, if nobody else can get you done, we will finance you. But at what cost, okay? This is the cost. All right, Credit Acceptance, yes, they will finance you if you have bad credit, but the majority of the time you're talking about somebody financing you where you're going to get a 24% interest rate, 22, 25, depending on how they boost that thing up, okay? And we're talking about somebody over here with good credit that has a 2.75% interest rate. Why? Because they had good credit and they went through their credit union, okay? Which is what I normally try to recommend to my clients that have, gone through everything. They weathered the storm and now they've got good credit. I try to make sure that they go through a credit union just because, most people have a good relationship with their credit union. The credit union is only going to pull that credit one time, okay, versus a dealership where they may, run your credit 7, 8, 9, 10 times trying to find somebody to finance you, okay? So we're going to say that the actual vehicle cost was $25,000 for the person with bad credit and $25,000 for the person with good credit, all right? But this right here, this is where it changes things, okay? This is the difference in good credit and bad credit, okay? So we're going to say that monthly payment for somebody that had bad credit with that 24% interest rate that they got, they're paying $658.17 per month on the same vehicle that the person with a 2.75% interest rate that has good credit is only paying $377.05. Isn't that insane? That's freaking crazy. All right. So over a 72-month span, okay, most people when they go to the car lot, unless, if you're somebody, you got a lot of money or you got good, credit and this, you're like, oh, just give me 60 months. I'm going to do my little 60-month term. But if you're like most people, and I know even myself, if you feel like you can go a longer span, get a lower monthly payment and try to beat that interest, you're going to go 72 months probably, okay? So we're going to say if you're somebody with 72 months in interest, over time, somebody with bad credit, this is what they're paying extra on top of the $25,000 payment, okay, versus the person with good credit. So over a 72-month time, you're talking about somebody with bad credit with a 24% APR percentage. They're paying $22,388.24 in comparison to somebody that with good credit with a 2.75% interest rate, which is paying only $2,147.60 over a 72-month span, all right? So total cost altogether, the person with bad credit is paying $47,388.24 versus somebody with good credit only paying $27,147.60. So look, bad credit is expensive. Expensive. Keep your shit good. If you have any more questions, feel free to email me, DM me, whatever. And don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, like I said, hit me up. I'll be glad to answer.